show you how to write chemical equation in Microsoft Word. Here is an example: H2O plus CO2, reversible sign with the increment symbol that represents the temperature equal to H2CO3. So let's begin. Type H2O space plus CO2 space bar plus H2CO3. Okay, now bring your cursor in the center. Go click on the insert tab. On the right hand side you will find symbol for the equation. Click on this one. Now here we need to get the equal to sign and the increment symbol. So how to do that one? Click on the matrix. Here you will find vertical three boxes. So click on this one. Select the box in the bottom and hit the space bar. Now select the box in the middle. Over here you will find a symbol. Click on this arrow. Scroll down. There are a number of symbols, but here we want to use equal to arrow symbol. So select the symbol. Now click on the top box. Here we want to include the increment sign. So here you can find the increment sign. Click on this one. The arrow size over here is much smaller than what we see in this equation. So how to increase the arrow size? Select it, right click. After right click you will find option for the font. The shortcut is Command D. Click on this one. And in the first case you will see the font, and second you will see advanced. In the advanced you will see option for the scale. Increase this scale to 200, that's the maximum, and then click OK. So this way you can include the equal to sign as well as temperature parameter, that is increment sign. Now you need to select the two, and then you can find here, click on this X with subscript 2 button. Do the similar for CO2, then for H2, and at last for CO3. Here this O is small, so just select the O and replace with the capital O. I hope through this video you learn how to type a chemical reaction in Microsoft Word. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos.